सब कुछ छोड़कर एक बार तो लद्दाख जाना ही चाहिए। Because Ladakh isn't just about the mountains. It's not just about the films we've seen when you're truly there. For me, Ladakh was a return to myself. Today my journey begins at 11,500 feet in Leh. Standing there, feeling small but somehow significant. Leh, once the heart of the Ladakhi kingdom, thrived as a Silk Route stop where traders exchanged salt, wool, pashmina and even turquoise. You've heard of the golden rule, right? Acclimatize. Not just in Ladakh, but in life. लेकिन सिर्फ लद्दाख ही क्यों? जिंदगी में भी तो हर नए मोड़ पे, लाइफ में भी तो हमें एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है। हर नई जगह, हर नया रास्ता एक न्योता देता है कि पहले समझो, फिर बढ़ो, और तभी तो हम ले पैलेस जैसी जगहों तक पहुंच सकते हैं। Built in the 1600s, inspired by Lhasa Patola Palace, from the top, the old town looks like a silent poem of Gulzar. पिछली बार भी आया था तो इसी पहाड़ ने, पिछली बार भी आया था तो इसी पहाड़ ने नीचे खड़ा था और मुझसे कहा था, तुम लोग ऊपर क्यों नहीं आते? आओ, हाथ पकड़ लो मेरा, पसलियों पे पाँव रखो और ऊपर आ जाओ। आओ, ठीक से चेहरा तो देखूं, तुम कैसे लगते हो? And I wondered, just as we long to see the mountains, do the mountains also wait to see us? If you ask me that existential question now, क्या है इन पहाड़ों में जो हमें सोने नहीं देता? Well, बहुत कुछ है। जैसे ये Thiksey monastery, rising layer by layer along a hillside, like our lives where each new level is a step up, a new chapter. Founded in 1430, Thiksey belongs to the Yellow Hat school of Tibetan Buddhism, and inside it sits the majestic Maitreya Buddha, the Buddha of the future. मैं बस उसकी आंखों में देखता रहा, उन सवालों के लिए जो शायद कभी पूछे भी नहीं थे। जवाब तो नहीं मिला, पर सवाल पूछना आ गया। I learned how to ask. Because I am my own compass and my own GPS. And it pointed further north now, to the Khardung La at 18,380 feet, one of the world's highest motorable roads, which was once a caravan trail to Kashgar. And when I reached the top, I laughed like a child touching the sky. Remember how we drew mountains as kids, tall enough to touch the sky? I think I just did that. सपने जरूर पूरे होते हैं, बस देखने की हिम्मत चाहिए. All we really need is the courage to climb. And what reflects that courage back to us? Pangong Tso, a lake more blue than the sky itself. At 14,270 feet, it even freezes in winter. I sat at the edge for hours, not to click pictures, but just to be still. जैसे वो लेक था, unhindered, undisturbed, and unbothered. They shot Three Idiots here, by the way. But movies never show you how the wind sings you to sleep, or how the water doesn't just reflect the sky, it reflects your entire self. And my entire self? It always longs for a home. And I found it, right there on the edge of Ladakh at Tartuk. Once a part of Pakistan, this village joined India in 1971. The people speak Balti, wear a different kind of cap, and carry a warmth that feels untouched by time. There aren't many homestays, but what you'll find here stays with your soul forever. At this very juncture, मुझे लगता है Ladakh is not just a place. It's a reflection of life's philosophies. जैसे हर लाइफ लेसन एक वीडियो में नहीं बताया जा सकता, वैसे ही लद्दाख भी कुछ मिनटों में समझा नहीं जा सकता। क्योंकि हानले में तारे नहीं देखे तो क्या किया, लामा यूरू के लूनार हिल्स में रात नहीं गुजारी तो क्या किया, नुब्रा वैली में चाय नहीं पी लोकल्स के साथ तो क्या किया। क्योंकि लद्दाख इज अ जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ। मैं अपनी कहानी लिख रहा हूँ। The time is yours to write your own Ladakh story.